The Hytera BD502 is a digital analog two-way radio model, which offers optimal performance along with a reliable, rugged solution. With the ability to automatically switch between analog and digital based on incoming signal, this radio makes communications much more efficient. IP54 rated, the BD502 is protected from dust and water splashes from all different directions. There are two different options available for this BD502 model: the Hytera BD502 4-watt UHF, the Hytera BD502 VHF. For workers utilizing this handheld, it is often important that their communications be hands-free in order to allow for more freedom in a hands-on environment. Some accessories which are great options in optimizing communications include multi-unit chargers. Having a working charger on hand ensures that your two-way radios are always charged and ready for use. Multi-unit chargers, however, allow for the consolidation of a team's two-way radios. Rather than utilizing several single-unit chargers, which take up more outlet space, a multi-unit charger enables multiple radios to be charged at the same time and accounted for. Antennas. Antennas are vital to the functionality of a two-way radio system. These accessories allow for more coverage as well as for less interference in the communications process. There are two different types of antennas which customers prefer: the stubby antenna and the long whip antenna. Two-wire surveillance kit earpieces. For more discreet communications, this two-wire earpiece is a great option. Simply connect to the radio, lace the wire through your shirt, and clip the earpiece to your collar. Lastly, wrap the clear coil around your ear. A memory foam ear tip is included in order for this earpiece to form to the ear canal. This accessory is not only discreet, but it is also comfortable. When properly cleaned, teams can utilize different memory foam ear tips and share these accessories with others. Remote speaker microphones. Remote speaker microphones are great options for those within industries such as retail, education, and manufacturing, when quick relay of messages is necessary, but the team needs to operate hands-free. Replacement batteries. Replacement batteries are probably the most valuable accessory to have on hand for your two-way radio system. As batteries age, they lose power more quickly. Having extras will ensure that you never lose communication with your team for extended periods of time. Two-Way Direct offers a cost-effective solution for two-way radio replacement batteries with their Two-Way Direct brand. For more information on accessories which work with the Hytera BD502 two-way radio, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote, and we will get back with you. If this video was helpful to you, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful content from Two-Way Direct.